My name is Umar Asif, and this is my creative coding game on p5.js. First, I'll be going through my code, and then I'll show my game. So first, we start off by defining some variables like bird, pipes, game over, score, etc. Here we've set the lives to 3, we've set the score to 0, and then below that we use the preload function to add the background image. Then we create the canvas and we create the bird. Then going down, we set the background image, and then we show I show some information about what keys to use before the game starts. This will show the user what keys to press. As you can see on the screen on the right side, it shows press enter to start and top arrow to jump, and I've used fill white color. Then if the game has started, else if we update the bird, display the bird. And right below that we generate pipes every 80 frames. Then I update and display each pipe. When the pipe is off screen, as when the bird has passed the pipe, the user score will go up by 1. If the user hits the pipe, the lives will be reduced. If you've used all your lives, the game is over and the bird resets. And this here displays the score and lives. I've used fill white color for the score, text size 32, and then right below that I've used red color for lives. Then we move on to the game over text. I've used white color for game over, and I've used red color for press enter and try again. That's if the user wants to restart the game. Then I use the key press function. I used up arrow for jumping, and I've used enter key to enter, like start the game or restart when the user finishes their game. Then we go to the function start game. Here the lives, when the game starts, the lives reset, the bird's position resets, and the pipes reset. This is when the user loses. The game restarts the game. Here's a function to reset the bird class. Here, when the bird touches the bottom, the user loses 1 life. And if the user has no lives left, the game ends. And here, same thing. It checks if the bird has touched the top. Display bird. This is the bird fill. This is what the user will be playing. The bird's color is pink, and I've used this rectangle shape for the bird. This is to make the bird jump. This is the class for the pipe. Update pipe position. Here we display the pipe, the color of the pipe, the shape, the height. The last part, this checks collision if the pipe has hit the bird. If it returned true if it has hit, and then in the end, return false if it did not collide. Thank you, and now I'll be going through my game's output. Now I'll be starting my game. First, the game displays information about what keys to use for the user. Enter to start and top arrow to jump. We're gonna start the game and start playing. As you can see, the score is going up as I pass through the pipes. And when you lose the game displays game over and press enter to try again. If you press enter, the game restarts.